Pollution from facial cleansers. Plastics are the well-known culprit of risking the ocean's ecology. All sorts of plastics, such as wrappers and containers, are finding their way into the seas worldwide at an annual rate of 8.8 million tons every single year. The unattractive mess they are making is threatening marine animals all over the planet. But have we ever wondered if some types of plastics may be worse than others? Is it the plastic bags or the plastic water bottles? As a matter of fact, the worst type of plastic pollution is from our daily personal care products, such as shampoos, facial cream, toothpaste, and exfoliating cosmetics. These products consist of tiny plastic orbs called microbeads, which are used as abrasives. The commercially available plastic microbeads are in a size of 10 nanometers to 1 millimeter. They pose an environmental hazard when disposed in wastewater. Because they pass through sewage treatment plants without being filtered out, their use and disposal have resulted in plastic particle water pollution. Nearly 19 tons of microbeads go down the drain in New York State every year. Thus, several jurisdictions are taking steps to regulate or ban the use of microbeads. Now, researchers of the State University of New York have found a stunning amount of plastic in the largest freshwater ecosystem on Earth, the Great Lakes. Fish we dissect from Great Lakes are festooned with microbeads, said Henry Henderson, director of the Natural Resources Defense Council in Chicago. Besides carrying toxins, the beads can cause internal abrasions and stunt growth of the fish. Once these non-biodegradable microbeads enter into the water, they attract toxic substances, such as from printed circuit boards, and then become part of the aquatic food chain, soon to be eaten by fish and then, too often, by humans. Lately, microbeads have been found in the debris piles in the Los Angeles River, as well as in the Pacific Ocean. Along with 6 other states that already passed measures on banning or restricting the use of the microbeads, California lawmakers recently approved a measure, which will start in 2020, on banning the sale of personal care products that contain plastic microbeads. We cannot afford to wait any longer to end microplastic pollution. The cost to the environment and wildlife is much too great, claimed State Representative Richard Bloom. Those bans could push manufacturers to stop making products with microbeads, but the quickest solution is for consumers to simply stop using them. Major cosmetic companies have already pledged to phase out the use of plastic microbeads from their products. Consumers can also avoid using them by examining the ingredients list of products to see if either polyethylene or polypropylene exists.